Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rainbow Six Siege on your PlayStation, synchronization failed to synchronize data for cross-platform, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Rainbow Six Siege easily. So first off, you're gonna open up your web browser, so you can do this either on your phone or any computer you have. And now you're gonna search for Ubisoft login and then you're gonna go to the Ubisoft's website. You can also do this on your phone, and here you're going to log in with your account, and once you're done logging in, you're going to click on to account information. And once you're into account information, you're going to have all of these linked accounts. So what you need to do is you need to unlink your PlayStation or your Xbox account, and once it's done unlinking, then you're going to link it again. What that will do is that will refresh your account with the Ubisoft website, so that should fix your problem. So just click on link on here on PlayStation Network and then link your PlayStation account on here. And once you're done with that, then you can just go ahead and play Rainbow Six Siege, and you'll see that you'll be able to play the game now and you will not get that synchronization failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.